What's the meaning of Christopher Robin? Christopher Robin. Christopher Robin.
Christopher Robin. Christopher Robin. Christopher Robin refers to a character from the popular children's book series, Winnie the Pooh, written by A.I. Milne. Christopher Robin is the young boy who befriends the beloved bear, Winnie the Pooh, and his animal friends in the 100-acre wood. The name Christopher Robin has become synonymous with childhood innocence, imagination, and adventure. The character has been portrayed in various adaptations, including films and TV shows. Overall, Christopher Robin holds a special place in the hearts of many as a symbol of the joys and wonders of childhood.